Hello, hello, my lovelies. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Grammy's Journey. My name is Gracie. Welcome back, my lovelies. Welcome back, my newbies. I am so grateful and thankful to each one of you that decided to join my financial journey. This makes me so much happy, guys. I see the numbers are getting up there a little bit. I'm growing. When I hit every 100, guys, there will be a winner. A physical product winner from me, a physical gift from me, actually. I said every 100 that I reach, I will be giving a gift until I get to my 2K. When I get to my 2K, guys, there's going to be 2 or maybe 3 winners. But right now, I'm so close to my 1,200. Guys, I only need maybe 20 something subscribers. So continue helping me by sharing my video, continue helping by liking and commenting, guys. You guys make me so happy when I see those comments there. I love reading comments, guys, and I love, even though it's just emojis, but I know you're there, you're watching, and I know you're supporting. That is something very important to me. If this is your first time watching and you like this kind of content, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit that bell to get notified whenever I upload a video or whenever I go live, because I do go live on Sunday nights, 3:30 p.m. Pacific, 5:30 p.m. Central, and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And we have a lot of fun. We play bingo. I'm thinking of making another game. And so, yeah, guys. So let's jump into my video. What does Gracie do? For those that are new, Gracie reads a quote or a scripture every time I open up my video in the morning. So let's go ahead and read this quote. Today it is a quote for April 15th. Let's read. And it reads, sorry guys. If we believe we can change the world, God will show us how to do it. Oh, yes. Thank you, Lord. If we believe, that's the main word, guys. Believe. We can change the world. God will show us how to do it. Amen. Thank you, Lord. All right. So today it is Tiny Tuesday, teeny tiny Tuesday, yay! And this is the first time I'm going to start going back to my saving with dimes. I didn't know how they would do it, but now I know, and so now I'm excited to start the new method, which is the dimes. You save them, then you cross out. I'm still getting over that cold, guys. Okay. You cross out how much dollars you save, but today I will be saving 5, but I already made up my mind. I'm going to be doing $3 every time I do my tinies with dimes, okay? Now, I don't have dimes. I forgot to get dimes in the bank, but that's okay because I do have my little money placer dimes. Look at how cute. How to do them cow themed, guys. You know, cows are my favorite. So let's count my money. Oh, my little strawberry shortcake fell. Her little head. I can't see her little beautiful cutie face. All right, let's fix her. And so let's go ahead and count. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26. Why do I have 26? Because since I'm not doing that much, putting that many on my little tinies, I'll probably finish right away. So I do have my box, which is a new box, not mine, but I started this new box, which is in collaboration between All My Crafts and Budgets and my modern homestead, Janet, beautiful Janet. So I will be, it's so adorable. I want to continue doing it. That's why I put all that money there, because I do want to finish this little box that I have here. But first, let's go ahead and put the dollar that goes here. Nope. Hey, Grace, you're almost forgetting. Nope. We do our little joyful, happy song to get through the day and to feel happy and to feel joyful, right? And how does that go? It goes, it's a beautiful day in the budgeting world. A beautiful day in the budgeting world. Where? The budgeting world. Won't you join me? Let's start saving. Yay, let's start saving. Woo. Okay, so counted the money. So let's go ahead and put $1 here. I do put $1. That is why there's $26 here. Every day I do put $1. Give me a minute. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. The puppy started screaming his head off because he's not a puppy. He's already an older, but he's a tiny dog. Because, you know, I told you guys he has anxiety. When he feels the other dog, which is a bigger dog, come out, he gets very anxious. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in here. Good dollar, but guess what? That's why I have that 5 there. Because 15 today, and we want to condense, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to take these $5, put this $5 in there, and put this over here. Yay! That's how we do some condensing. So there we go. Okay, so there's 15 there. And we're going to start off with my tiny, so we're going to put this one here, and I'm starting everything new. So I have different creators here, and I'll tell them whenever I am done with them, or whenever I start putting the money in there. Okay, so cute, little cute tinies, adorable. I love them, love them, love them. Okay, let's put my little binder to the side. We're gonna get my dimes, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put dimes, $5 worth. So that's gonna be how much? 50, right? I hope I have 50. Don't know how much I have. 1, 2, I think I have 30 only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It got stuck. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ooh, I only have 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. Hold on, give me a minute. Let me try to find some more. Give me a minute. All right, my lovelies, I'm back. All right, guys, so I got my 50 dimes here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pick, like I always do it, we're gonna pick the envelope with this one, no, with this one, and then with this one, we're gonna pick the odd or even, and then we'll just put the number, whatever. Odd is $1, even is 2. I'm sorry, odd is a dime, even is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got 1, and 1 is even, so it's gonna get 2 dimes. Okay, then it's 5, and 5 is odd. Okay, number 5 is odd again. Number 6 is even, so we're going to get 2 dimes. And number 4 is odd. Number 2 is odd. Oops, 2. Number 3 is odd. Number 6 is even. Got 2 for number 6. Number 5 is odd. Number 6 even. Wow, number 6 is getting some love. Okay. Number 6 is odd. Number 5 is even. Finally, something different. Number 2 is odd. Number 5 is even. I don't want these stuck. No. Number 2 is odd. Number 1 is odd. Number 2 is odd. Number 4 is odd. Number 6 is odd. Number 1 is odd. Wow, a lot of odds. Number 5 is odd. Number 2 is odd. Wow. No evens. Number 5, odd. Number 2 is even. Finally an even. Number 5 is odd. Number 5 is even. You know what? We're going to give some to the other ones because I'm not getting numbers. 3, even. Finally, 3. 6 and 5 have a lot, so we need 3 and 4 and 1. Number 6 is even, so that's going to go to number 3. Number 5 is odd. Give it to number 1. Number 6 is even, so that's gonna go to number 4. 1, 3, 1, 3, and 4 are the ones that were left out. Number 4 is odd. Number 2 is odd. We're just gonna give it to number 1. All right, so that's it, guys. Let's see. Now we're gonna start our dimes. Yay! So we got for this one, and I have, and each is a little set of 4. So we're gonna color in whatever dimes we have there. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 of these cuties here. So let's do a color. What color? What color? Let's do this color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, we finished 1. 8. We got 8 for this one, so that's 80 cents. And we're gonna do it at the end. So 80 cents. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use my other my prop money that I use here, 80 cents. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna have to do dimes for these. That's okay. Now we're gonna do 50, 25, that's 75, and then we're gonna do how can I do it? 75, 85, 95. I need another 25, right? That's no, I need 5 cents, guys. I don't have 5 cents. How are we gonna do this? $75, 85. This will go over. I don't have a nickels. Okay, I'll come back and I'll check. I'm gonna have to make little nickel placers, but this one got 80. That's fine. We have 75. I'll come back and check it and then just put the nickel. I'll see what money placer I can do. Maybe I do have nickels. I don't know if she did nickels. I think there was just 25, but I could do a nickel. Nickel one. All right. So then this one, number 5. Oops, I forgot whose it was. Hi, Grace. You always forget. Okay. This one is from the Penny Pioneer, and I got these from Kofi, guys. So there's freebies there, tiny freebies there. So this one we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! So this one we did get $1, so obviously it's gonna be $1. Okay, so we got 10. I've got 8 right there. And let's do, let's go do, which one? I'll just do this one. Okay, so we're gonna go, this is 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and get 2 more for 10. This one's completed, so we're gonna go 9, 10. So this is $1 already. Got $1 for this one for sure. I'm gonna fold this one up and put it in here. So what? We're gonna go ahead. Okay, so it's $1.80. You know what? I'm gonna keep track by, because I did do these. These is what helps us see how much we saved. Let me get it. And these are for Mandy's budgeting items on Etsy, guys. So we did do 80 cents and $1. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cross this out. Let's do, is there an 80 cents? Yes, there is. It's right here. Okay, so that's 80 cents. And then we got $1. And that way you could keep track with this, guys. This is how I saw Janet from My Modern Homestead, the way she keeps track. So that's $1.80 already. All right, so we're gonna keep this. I totally forgot about these, and I just made it last night, but I was so tired, guys. I just had to go to bed early, and I woke up late. Maybe I need to catch up on my sleep since that night that I told you guys I woke up at 3 in the morning. 1, 2, okay, 3. I don't want nothing stuck. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this one got 70. So I'm keeping track with this, guys. Okay, 70. Okay, so this one got 70. So let's color in 7 of these little cute, adorable challenge. It says walk by faith, and this is from Chelly's Crafty Corner, and these are crosses. This is the only one that came up. The rest are beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and color these beautiful crosses, and we got 7. Four, 5, 6, and we're gonna color beautiful Easter bunny over here. So let's do this. Okay, so that's 7, 4, 5, 6, and 1 is 7. So this one's gonna go on the back because this one's completed. And we already put the 70 cents on the tracker. So there we go. All right, now we're gonna go to number 3. See how much we have. This is from Oma Crafts and Budget. Adorable. You know, I love my Highland baby cows. I love them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 50 cents for this one. And guess what? 50 cents. I do have 50 cents for this one. So I am gonna put the 50 cents in here. I think there's dimes. I'm not sure she made dimes. Right, this is 25. Not this one, Grace. You need the 50 cents. Sorry, guys. Hold your horses. Got them here. I got them here. Here they are. I'm gonna go check Millennium. Millennium Savers, the one that they these adorable trackers. I mean, trackers, money placers. They're nice. They feel so nice, especially if you do them in a vellum. They are adorable. Let's do this green. Okay, so we're gonna do 5. All the trees are gonna be coming green pretty soon. Color green. I love the fall colors though, the trees and the leaves. Fall is my favorite season. What is your guys' favorite season? Write it in the comments, guys. 4, one more is 5. And we're gonna cross out the 50 cents on the tracker also. Okay, so 50 cents is over here. There we go. Right. And this is going to go back in here. I haven't completed that one. Alright, so these are going to go over here, Grace. Alright, number 2, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also. So 70. This one is from Happy Budgeting Mom. There's 6 and one more is 7. These are adorable. I love the little piggy. Cute little piggy. Alright, so we're going to do all these. And then we're going to do the other eggy on the other side. There we go. That one's done. Then we're going to do one of these. Let's go ahead and just color the white egg. And let's do it. Let's do this color. There we go. 70. This one's going to go on the back. And this one's going to go on the front. And then we're going to put the 70 cents in the tracker also. 70 cents in here. Another 70 would be, ow, pressed it with the wrong thumb. Painful, guys. There we go. 70. Then we'll add up the tracker later. It should be 5. Unless I put a little extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, all of them got 70. 70 cents here too. Okay, and this one is from Angela Hall's Savings and More. My sweet Angela. So let's do these. Alright, so cute. So we got 7 of these too, so we're gonna do these. Let's try this color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more. 70, yay. So these all got 70, the last ones. And the first one's got, well, only one $1 and one for 80 cents. Pretty good. So another $1 is over here. done with this. Now we're going to start our box. And I'll add these at the end, guys, because I want to go ahead and have time. Okay, so we're putting this one on the back and this one in the front. Done, done, done. Yay, guys. So let's go ahead and put these back in here, and then we'll start with the box. I love it, love it, love it, the way they are. They are, come out so, so good. This method is perfect. Like I said, I might have to do these little in 10s and 5s. Alright, there we go. All done, guys. All done. Alright, now we're going to start with my box. Not my box, but my binder that has the box. And it belongs to All My Crafts and Budgets. They're the ones that created it. And My Modern Homestead. It's a collab between both of them. These are adorable. And let's start, guys. Let's start. Let me just shuffle these a little bit. And yeah, that way it won't take too long. I don't want to take too much time. But I can't wait to start these. Okay, I can't shuffle these, guys. It's just hard for me, but I'm just going to take little chunks and put them from the middle, from the front, from the back, and let's do it this way, right? Like this. Alright, let's start. Okay. And let's see. First one's going to be Search and Save the Purple Ducky. Yay, I love purple. Here it is, $3. And get 1, 2, and 3. And let's go ahead and take out the ducky. I mean the thingy here, the tracker, not the ducky. All right, the tracker, and we're gonna color purple. A. There we go. I'm gonna put the $3 in there, and we're just gonna leave it out just in case we have to come back. Okay, there's that one's done. Let's do it another one. And we're gonna add $1 to these cute little boots right there. So that's gonna be $4. 2, 3, and 4. Told you, should have left them out, and I'm leaving them out. Okay, so this is gonna be at $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that $1 here, so that way I'll know what's 4. That's 4. And let's do pinky. Okay, that one's done. Now we're going to get Save times 2, this cute little drop. It's not in this one, it has to be in another one. Oh, that goes over there. Okay. Not there, not there. Nope, that's not it. It's over here. $1. Oops, that one goes over there. All right, so this one's Save times 2, so that's gonna be $2. And there it is, $2. Yay, 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 yay. Guess what? I'm happy because my printer, yay! I have a printer now and it's working. Yesterday I printed so many things, so it's like, yay. I am doing a new book, guys. Keep an eye out. It should be out today. Need to put it together. Adorable. So that's 2. Oops, always doing this and always marking my hands with these. Oh well. All right, let's do another one. Add $1 to this cute drop, and it's right there. So we have $1, and we're gonna add another $1, so that's gonna be another $2. So this is the first one that we're gonna be doing for this tracker. I haven't done this tracker, so now it's gonna be with $2. $2. Love this little box. It's so adorable, guys. I love, love, love it. Okay. All right, so I did put the 2 in there. Okay, now we're gonna do this one, search and save. It's not that one. Where is it? Let's see. Search and save, search and save. There it is, $1. So this one's gonna take $1. And this one is gonna be what color? Let's do yellow. Jello. There we go. All right, next one is say ×2, this cute little ducky. Here it is, ×2, that's 4. Woo, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's okay. You still have some money there. Okay, so that's gonna be +2. That's 4. Put this one back. I'll put them back at a time because then I forget to put them back. Okay, you forgot an umbrella. Save an extra $2 in section 4. Uh-oh. I don't know what section 4 is. Well, for me, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one. Extra $2. But this one's brand new. I haven't done this one, but yay, now it has $2. Or I do have money in here. Which one did I do? Oh, this one up here. Okay. I think. I don't know. I have extra money there, but oh well, we'll figure it out. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, another one. You got mud on your boots. Save an extra $1 in section 6. So this is 4, 5, 6, and the boots are there. So I'm just gonna save $1. So yay. Oh, this one already. Did I? This is an extra one, guys. Let's put it on the bottom. It was stuck to the other one. Oops, this one fell off, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, wait. No, this is the one I'm putting on the bottom. What? I end up with all these cards, guys. Hold on. Alright, this one's better. Search and save, the blue one. Where's the blue ducky? There it is. $3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now only got $2 left. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do that. On one of the games, let's see. That way, I'll use all the 20 today. $3. Okay. 3. And I think I'm gonna put those $2 over here on the back. There's a game. Let's just put these cards back in here, guys. I don't want to forget that. Okay, got all of them in here. Yes. Oh, except this one. Okay, this one's the one that I'm just going to put the 2 here without rolling and saving. Okay, so there's 2 right here. No, there's 2 right there. Let me go ahead and do the 2. Let's do, we're going to do this one. 2. 2. There we go. $2. Hey, that's how we do it, right? Wherever you can fit the money, wherever you can put it, that's what we do. So that's it, guys. That is it for my Tiny Tuesday, teeny tiny Tuesday day savings. So these are gonna go in the back. These are the ones that we completed. They go with this clip here. Put them right, Grace. Put them right. There we go. Alright, these are done. This one goes back here. Alright. So that's it. That's it for Teeny Tiny Tuesday. And I just want to let everyone, this is awesome. I love it. I love it. And you guys haven't done the tinies with dimes, and keep your tracker all the time, because that way you'll track it. I just dropped something, guys, and I hope it didn't break, but we'll see. Anyhow, let's go ahead and total this right now really quick before anything. We got 50 cents plus 70 cents plus 80 cents plus $1 plus 70 cents plus $1 for 70. Huh. Didn't come out of 5. Let me see. Maybe I didn't put the whole 5. Let's see. 0.50 plus 0.70 plus 0.80 plus 8. 0.70 plus 0.80 plus 1.00 plus 0.70 plus $1. 740. Huh? This is wrong. $1 or 70. So I'm missing 30 cents. Oh well, I did most of the 5, right? I'll have better tracking next time. But anyhow, this is completed, and that's it for today, guys. And I'll see you guys on my next journey tomorrow. It is group day. Tomorrow is group day, and yeah, I'm gonna get my group together, and let's see how we do tomorrow. Tonight I might do a haul, Temu haul. I did order something from Etsy, and it's a game, because I want to start doing my games and fit them into my schedule. But yeah, I have a lot of board games, but I needed something physical, something that I'm gonna enjoy. So I did order a binder also for the games, and I'll show you guys later today when I open my game. It'll be a haul. All right, and happy mail. Yeah, I have a happy mail. So thank you, guys. Thank you all. Don't forget our collab between Grammy's Journey, EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Tobin Budgets, and It Is Not Too Late, Terry. I'm gonna put the names up here, but guys, go. We're having a giveaway at the end of this month, April the 30th. That's the last day you can enter. We will draw the winners on the 1st of May. 2 winners. One's gonna be digital, and that one international people can enter that giveaway, and the physical is just going to be for the United States. There's going to be 2 winners. Once again, you have to be, the rules are, you have to be 18 plus, you have to be publicly subscribed to all 4 of the members, which are going to be up here, and go to their channels. And there is one important thing, that you're going to have to make a sentence and put it on the comment with the word showers with an S, And on all of the members, you have to go and post a comment in their channels and subscribe to their channels, like, watch the video, and yeah, guys, that's how we do it, all right? And one important thing that everyone needs to know is that YouTube has nothing to do with the giveaways. They do not sponsor none of us. They have nothing to do. That is so important for you guys to know. It is out of us that we appreciate you guys for your help, and that is how we we give our appreciation that way with giveaways. All right, so God bless each and every one of you guys. Love you. Bye.